I want to talk about a product that I honestly never expected to fall in love with. These are small but mighty, very cost effective for customers. And not only that, they are a top bulk order product on Etsy. These sales come in 10s, 20s, and even sometimes 50 orders and above just on one single sale. And I am talking today all about one of my new favorite products, can coolers. Can coolers have quietly become one of my very favorite products to sell on Etsy. And today I'm going to be sharing exactly why that is, which can cooler print provider I recommend using. Plus, if you stick around, I'm going to be sharing 3 of the top niches where I am seeing major sales for this product on Etsy. Hey there, welcome back. My name is Emily. I'm a mom of 2 who has scaled her Etsy shop to over $900,000 in revenue with zero design experience and zero business experience before jumping into this wild world of entrepreneurship. And now I love helping others start, grow, and scale their own Etsy print on demand shops. Today is one of those videos where I get to talk about something I really love. And when I get to share with you about a product that I am just obsessing over, it is not only just so fun for me, but I just love being able to give you the tips that you need to make it successful in your own shop. All right, so let's dive into this. Let's talk about why such a small product like a can cooler can be so effective and mean major sales and major profit in your Etsy shop. The number one thing that makes this such a powerful product is that they are not very often just purchased as a single can cooler. They are often bought in bulk. So think about where you have seen can coolers before, and it is common that they are purchased for special events, special occasions. Now, I have recently been talking so much about why I love the party niche on Etsy. And if you haven't seen that, I have shared some info here about why the party niche has really become my favorite in 2026. And can coolers are a perfect product for breaking into the party niche. Because think about it, if you're planning a bachelorette party or a birthday party or something like that, you are going to be buying more than one can cooler. You're going to be buying for the entire party of people, which means not only are you getting one sale on that order, you are getting multiple. And here's what else I love about can coolers from a buyer standpoint. They are at an affordable price point for many Etsy buyers, but they provide still that special and unique touch to whatever it is that they're purchasing for. So this is an accessible product for Etsy buyers. It's low cost, but it also means big bucks for you because they are buying more than one at a time. The third thing I love about can coolers is that the designs are incredibly simple for the most part. You can really keep the designs really clean, really text-based, add a couple graphics in there, and it's going to make a big impact for someone who's buying these for a special event, milestone occasion, or opportunity. And we're going to talk about those 3 niches here in a second that I'm seeing those big sales, but these designs can be super simple. Now, you might be asking yourself, okay, well, who should I be using to sell these can coolers? Now, the print partner behind my vacation samples here that I'm sharing with you today is Pic The Gift. And Pic The Gift has been a go-to print partner of mine through Printify for a long time. And so these can coolers are one of the newest products that I am selling with them. And the quality of them is just so incredible. What I also love is that they offer several different sizes. So they also have the regular size can cooler, the bottle size can cooler, which is new to Printify right now, and also the slim can cooler, which is highly desirable and very in demand on Etsy, especially for things like bachelorette parties. And honestly, I'm just super impressed. The quality is super impressive. The print is super clean. The colors look fantastic. And overall, I have gotten great reviews on selling these can coolers, and these samples are fantastic. Now, as I said, Pic The Gift is a print partner through Printify, so you can find their catalog there. Or if you're interested in selling with Pic The Gift directly, I'll include a link below if you're interested in opening an account directly with them. But these 3 can coolers are just a huge hit on Etsy. And I want to talk about 3 niches where I am seeing them absolutely have rock star sales. Now, Niche number one is one that we've kind of hinted at so far in today's video, and that is the bachelorette party niche. But I also want to share another spin on that because I am also seeing them make big sales when it comes to bachelor parties as well. And this is for good reason. The bachelor and bachelorette party niche is one of the highest opportunities for bulk orders on Etsy because everyone loves matching products when it comes to an event like this. They want the matching t-shirts, they want the banner, they want the matching guest book, and they also love to use can coolers. And again, this is a super cost-effective product. So let me show you some examples of what I'm seeing in the bachelorette party space and what this demand really looks like. Here you can see some examples in bachelorette can coolers, and you can see multiple products that are bestsellers and popular now. Now, I am using the Everbee extension here, which is my go-to research tool on Etsy. And one thing I love is that we can just be directly on the screen and see what the sales are looking like. For example, this one right here is 2 months old. This listing is only 2 months old, and it's already popular now and has over 30 monthly sales. And I'm assuming that number will go up. Same with this Charleston Bachelorette can cooler. It's only 4 months old, this listing, and it's saying it has over 195 monthly sales. Now, again, I am assuming a big reason for that is because people buy them in multiple quantities. And so that is something to keep in mind. Now, when it comes to bachelorette can coolers, something that's important is really incorporating themes. You can see for these can coolers that a lot of these best-selling ones are incorporating very popular bachelorette party themes or styles. So when you're thinking about selling in this space, make sure you are looking at those popular themes and incorporating those into your designs. And moving on to niche number two, and that is for birthday parties. Now, birthday parties, especially for adults, are a huge hit on Etsy. It's one of my favorite spaces to sell in. And can coolers are no different. People are often looking for a special party favor or a party decor item that isn't super expensive, but that can add that special touch to that birthday party. One area I'm seeing these really popping in the birthday party space is especially for like birthday trips. So people that are taking these big trips for a milestone birthday and their friends or family are planning like a special theme or occasion, and they want to give everyone a party favor that's easy to travel with or take with them. So let's look at what we're seeing in the birthday party space when it comes to these can coolers. All right, so over here on Etsy and using the Everbee extension, we can get an idea of what kinds of events and themes are really working in the birthday party space. And it's very similar to the bachelorette party space in that themes are truly the key. So we can see a teeny bit older, she's freshly 21. We have a birthday beach bash kind of theme. And what I'm loving is, again, look at some of these listings. This listing is only a month old and already making sales. And so that's a really good sign that there is opportunity here when it comes to selling can coolers in the birthday party space. We're also seeing some different ones like camping theme or this Club 41, which again, this one is only about 3 months old. This one's only 4 months old. So what does that mean? It means that there is opportunity for us and that this small but mighty product is really making big sales. And the third and final niche I want to share with you when it comes to making big sales with can coolers is going to be group vacations. Now, obviously, there might be some overlap with the birthday and the bachelorette niche, as often those are group vacations. But as I showed you in my designed family vacation can cooler that I plan to use this summer with our extended family, this is a big niche because, again, this is a product people can carry with them. It's something that can be a keepsake moment for these big vacations, and so that everyone can match while they're on vacation as well. And what I love is that these big group vacations definitely peak in the summer. That tends to be when we see family reunions or big family cruises like my family's going on, but also vacations are happening year round. So that is something that is a bit more evergreen as well. But if you're thinking about designing for vacations, I definitely recommend doing it now so you can really capitalize on that summer peak. And you can see over here on Etsy that there are already some of these can coolers that are becoming upcoming bestsellers. We have a girls trip 2026 can cooler. We are seeing just kind of a family beach vacation can cooler doing well, and even some 4th of July specific ones. Now, this 4th of July is a big one because it's the 250th anniversary of the United States. So I imagine there are going to be a lot of parties and a lot of vacations around this theme. So pro tip, I would definitely incorporate that into some of your designs. All right, so if you are ready to get started selling can coolers, which I hope you are because like I said, these are really just one of my favorite products right now, you can start selling them directly through Printify with Pic The Gift, or if you prefer to go directly through Pic The Gift, I will include that website below. All right, so let's recap. Why are can coolers one of my very favorite products on Etsy right now? All I could say is they are small but mighty. And with Pick the Gift, they are so high quality, and I feel so confident that my customers are going to get a super high quality printed product that they will love for their special occasion or event. The designs can be pretty simple, and most importantly, people are buying these in bulk. So they are not just buying one can cooler, they are buying multiple, whether it's for a bachelorette party or a group cruise or a birthday party. So if you have been looking for a product that feels like you could incorporate it into these bigger bulk orders or to maybe add your current designs to, then can coolers might be that perfect fit for you. I would love to know, are you already selling these can coolers in your shop? Or if you're not, do you think you might add them? And if you have any comments, questions, please feel free to drop them below. If you're looking for weekly tips and strategies to help your Etsy shop grow, don't forget to hit like or subscribe. My name is Emily, and I'll see you next time.